Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see best software engineering tutorial and courses. Software engineering is a branch of computer science which includes the development and building of computer system software and application software. So in this video we are going to see best 5 software engineering tutorial and courses which will help you to learn software engineering. If you want to start your learning in software engineering, you can choose any of this course and you can start your learning from basic. With the help of these courses you will master in software engineering. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. The first course that I'm going to suggest is software design and architecture specialization. The course provider is Coursera. The course offered by University of Alberta. Almost 34,283 students has already enrolled in this course. This is a 100% online course. The course level is a beginner level. It will take approximately 4 months to complete. Coursera suggested a pace of 3 hours per week. The course language is in English and subtitles present in various languages. Through this course, you will learn how to apply design principle, patterns, architecture to create reusable and flexible software application. You will also learn how to express and document the design and architecture of software system. Through this course you will gain so much skills and all the skills written over here: software architecture, Java, OOPS, UML, web service, microservices, REST and service oriented architecture, and many more skills. You will also create a project. You can read the description of the project over here, which type of project you're going to create through this course. You will also earn a certification after the successful completion of this course. There are 4 courses in this specialization. It is not a single course. The specialization consists of 4 courses: object oriented design, design patterns, software architecture and service oriented architecture. So through this course you will learn from basic to advanced level software engineering, and I will put the link of this course in the description box below. The second course that I'm going to suggest is software engineering essential. The course provider is a Pluralsight. The level is an intermediate level. The last update on this course is 2015. The duration of this course is 4 hours 58 minutes. Through this course you will learn what is software engineering and why it is important, what are the building blocks of software engineering, and what are the processes, methods that differentiate it as a discipline. The course aims to answer all the above questions and give the audience an absolute essential knowledge about software engineering. So this is a course that I will suggest to go through it. It will clear your software engineering concepts. It is one of the best course provided by Pluralsight. It will give you certification. You will not create any project during the learning of this course. I will suggest you to go through the 10 days free trial. You just have to sign up to the Pluralsight and give the meaningful information, and after the successful enrolling into this course, the course duration is only 5 hours, so you can learn the whole course in 10 days and gain a certification. And after learning this course you can unsubscribe to Pluralsight. In this way you will earn certification and you will also gain knowledge regarding software engineering. I will put the link of this course in the description box below. The third course that I'm going to suggest is software engineering introduction. The course provider is EDX. The length of this course is 6 weeks. Efforts required is 8 to 10 hours per week. The course is absolutely free, but if you want certification then you have to pay 9,325 to EDX. The institution is UBCX. Subject is computer science. The level is advanced level. Language is English. Video TypeScript is also English. This is a self-paced course. Through this course you will learn how to build a non-trivial software system. You will learn technique for specifying the functional and non-functional aspect of software system. You will learn a technique of designing and testing the software system and the role of refactoring in building a quality system. So this is a course that I am going to suggest to go through it. You can learn the description about the course over here, and it will give you certification. This course will give you learning regarding software engineering. You will get a certification. You can enroll in this course, and if you don't want certification then you can just enroll in this course and you can learn the whole course for free. And if you want certification, then you have to pay 9,325. If you don't want certification, the learning is absolutely free over edX. So I will put the link of this course in the description box. The fourth tutorial that I'm going to suggest is software engineering tutorial. The tutorial provider is tutorialspoint.com. It is also one of the best tutorial. This is a free tutorial. You will not, the videos are not available. You will not get certification. You will not create project. All the topics are covered in the form of article. You have to read the article. In this tutorial, each and every topic is covered in the form of article. So you have to go through each and every topic and read the article over tutorialspoint.com. And you in the left sidebar you can see that each and every topic of software engineering is covered over here. And this is an amazing tutorial. I will suggest you to go through it, and I will put the link of this tutorial in the description box. The fifth tutorial that I'm going to suggest is software engineering tutorial for beginner. Learn the software engineering in 3 days. The tutorial provider is Guru99. And this tutorial also covers the whole aspects of software engineering. It will cover each and every topic of software engineering. The previous tutorial not clearing a software engineering concept into deep, like what is waterfall model, what are advantages, disadvantages. But this tutorial will cover each and every model of software engineering, like incremental model, spiral model, red model, prototype model, advantages, disadvantages, what is the multi-tier, 3-tier, 2-tier architecture with example. So each and every topic of software engineering is covered over here. You can learn the whole bunch of tutorial in just 3 days. It is also an amazing tutorial provided by Guru99. You will not get videos, you will not get certification, you will not create project, but the learning is absolutely free. I will suggest you to go through this tutorial at least once before starting your learning in software engineering, and I will put the link of this tutorial in the description box. So these are the top 5 tutorial and courses that I'm going to suggest to go through this. I have created one article also over best software engineering tutorial and courses. I will put the link in the description box below. You can go through this article and you can select the best course according to you. And I will put the link of all the 5 courses in the description box below. You can go through each course and each tutorial and select the best tutorial and course according to you. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with everyone who wants to learn software engineering. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.